Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Welcome to Agar, EO Mobile. In this video, I will explain how to play this fun and addictive game. Your primary objective is to grow your cell as large as possible by eating smaller cells and scattered food. To move your cell, simply drag your finger across your device's screen. Remember to always steer clear of any cells larger than yours, because they will absorb you, ending your current game session. It's all about growth and survival. Mastering the split and eject mass mechanics is key to success. Tapping the split button divides your cell into two, allowing you to quickly engulf smaller opponents or make a swift escape from a larger threat. Be aware that your split cells will eventually merge back together. The eject mass button releases a small portion of your mass, which can be used to feed a teammate or strategically lure an unsuspecting enemy closer to you. Viruses are a unique element in Agar, EO. If your cell is large and you hit a green virus, it will split you into many smaller pieces, making you vulnerable. However, you can also use viruses strategically by pushing mass into them to make them grow and split larger opponents. Occasionally, you will find power-ups that grant temporary benefits, such as a boost in speed or a rapid increase in mass, helping you dominate the leaderboard. To truly excel, employ some advanced strategies. Staying near the map's edges can provide a quick escape if you encounter a much larger cell. Teaming up with friends allows you to protect one another and grow more efficiently. Always try to anticipate your opponent's movements to outsmart them and secure more mass. Remember, patience is a virtue. Avoid reckless plays to ensure your cell survives and thrives for as long as possible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.